Welcome back to Marcus Carnival channel, and today we're here for this week's Carnival Ride. It's the Blizzard Ride. This Blizzard Ride here belongs to North America Midway Entertainment, and it's set up here at the Miami-Dade County Fair. Here we have the Blizzard on the inside, and the Blizzard on the top, and you can see the polar bears there. Today's opening day of the Miami-Dade County Fair. Around 6 p.m. The fair opened a couple hours ago on this Thursday night. The Blizzard, it is 5 tickets to ride. You have to be at 48 inches. So here goes the Blizzard in action. Might get a copyright violation here from YouTube because of the music playing. Like here you see the Blizzard. Disco ball there in the middle. Now this is a Wisdom, built by Wisdom Rides, and it's a one trailer ride. Only one trailer to do this. Now to the left of it, we have the doghouse right there. Here we have the doghouse there. The sirens and the horns. Got pink cars, green cars, orange cars. The other side of it here. We're gonna go back. Here's the dog. I was trying to come back a little bit later and get the lights on. Now I have the lights off. Try to get a video with the lights on. As the ride is coming to an end. Operator comes to the exit there. So let know the folks which way to come out. And this is the Blizzard. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Remember to leave down in the comments if you see on the ride that you want a video of, like the Blizzard here, or any other type of ride on the Midway. Just let us know and we'll film it. Thank you. So here is a nighttime picture of the Blizzard. Now at nighttime with the lights all on, as it's starting to load in passengers there. And here's a picture of the Blizzard at nighttime with the lights all on. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one.